These companies will pay your rent for you, and I'm speaking from experience.
Hello, honey bun.
Hello, my honey buns. It's your gal Lou, or you can call me Honey Bun. And in today's video, I am doing an updated video for companies that will help you pay your rent. Now, the last time I did this video, the companies were actually a little bit different than the ones that I'm listing here. So a lot of those companies in the previous video, they would work with you in terms of like spotting you for your rent. But in this particular video, I'm giving you organizations and resources that will actually pay your rent, not loan you the money, okay? And there's a company on this list that I've used before as well. So the first one is Salvation Army. Most people, I would say, are familiar with Salvation Army. You know it as the place where you can go take your old clothes, furniture, things like that, get a tax write-off, or just do donations just because. But also Salvation Army can help you with your rent. They're very well known and they offer various programs. A lot of people don't know this, but they actually have an emergency financial assistance program, and you may be able to qualify through this program for rent and or utility assistance. So you want to make sure you go onto their website, and I'll have it here on the screen, and contact your local Salvation Army branch. And of course, when you're getting help, there will be questions about your situation. So just be prepared for that with this company and the other companies going forward. You will, be asked questions about your situation, okay? Number 2 on my list is Catholic Charities. And listen, y'all, there was a time in my life where I needed some help with my rent, and Catholic Charities came through. Wow, and it's so crazy. The reason why I had to pause for a second is because it's been a minute. It's been a while since I really reflected on the fact that I went through that situation and there was a time when I needed help. Okay, before I go into the details, I will say that out of all the companies that I reached out to for help, or the organizations, Catholic Charities, they handled me with care. I had some situations that were not so nice. I definitely had an encounter with an organization, very popular. Maybe I'll save that for another video. But when I say they treated me like the bottom of my shoe, they treated me like the bottom of my shoe, like dirt. And it made me sad for not only myself at that time, but for other people. I'm like, wow, so this is really how they're treating the people that's coming to them for help. And it was a religious organization, okay? But anyway, yeah, Catholic Charities, they really handled me with care. They had someone reach back out to me and assigned that person to handle my, case or whatnot, and ensuring that I'm able to get the funds. And the guy, he talked to me like I was a human being. We had a regular conversation on the phone. He didn't treat me like I was worthless. He really spoke with me just like any other person would, not in a condescending manner or like he was judging me based on my situation. And they also offered a lot of resources even after helping you out with your rent, programs and different things that you can join, and for financial literacy and things of that sort. But let me get back on track. So you can actually reach out to your local branch for the Catholic Charities and to get information about their rental assistance program. And you actually don't have to be Catholic to receive their assistance, because their mission is to serve everyone. Okay, so that's another great thing about it. I will definitely have the resources on the screen. And if you're not sure, who's over your local Catholic charity, when you reach out, they'll be able to route you to the correct branch and, go from there. I will say, with this company and all the other companies or organizations, you have to be up early in the morning, calling them as soon as the lines open. And it might take calling multiple days. It might take a week. It might take 2 weeks for some of these organizations. I will be honest. It's so many people that are trying to get assistance. So be ready to be up. If they say that their lines open at 8 a.m., you need to be up at 7 with your phone in your hand, and you need to be calling at 7:59, 7:58, 7:59, 8 a.m. and keep calling, keep calling, keep calling, keep calling. I will be honest with you. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting through to speak with someone and getting you an appointment for assistance. But yeah, Catholic Charities, great organization. I'm so grateful for their help. I would love to work with them one day, actually. And I told the guy that I spoke with that because they were a blessing to me at that time, and I'm not even Catholic. Third on my list is Modest Needs. Modest Needs is an online nonprofit organization, and they connect people in need with donors that are willing to help. They have a self-sufficiency grant that can help you to cover one-time expenses, including your rent. And unlike a loan, baby, this is a grant, so you do not have to pay this money back. Same thing with the previous organizations that I've mentioned thus far. You do not have to pay the money back. You can go to modestneeds.org to apply for the assistance. Number 4 is United Way 211. If you dial 211, it will get you connected with United Way's helpline, and they have a range of resources and information regarding local organizations that can assist you. They'll be able to get you those numbers, those, the addresses, whatever you need for those local organizations, depending on what your needs are at that time. So if you're calling for utility assistance, rental assistance, shelter, things of that sort. They're known for helping people out with overdue rent or eviction notices as well. People that are already in an active eviction situation. Number 5 is Rent Assistance Program by HUD, also known as Housing and Urban Development. So the U.S. Department of Housing, they offer rental assistance programs like Section 8 and emergency rental assistance. If you haven't checked out my video about buying a house with your Section 8 voucher, definitely check that video out. But this housing authority, this housing program is really known for helping people get vouchers so that they can have an apartment or a house or a townhome, and they also have various programs for assistance. They're known for helping low-income families, individuals, and seniors. You can visit hud.gov to find out if you qualify. Number 6 is the local housing authority. So similar to what I previously mentioned, your local housing authority often administers federal and state rental assistance programs like the ERAP, which is known as the Emergency Rental Assistance Program, and can provide temporary help if you're behind on rent or face an eviction. Number 7 is Coabode. Coabode is an organization that connects single mothers with roommates to share housing. If you are a single mother, this could be a great program for you, but I will be honest, although I'm mentioning this program on my list, I'm not the biggest fan of roommate situations, and especially when you have children, you have to be extremely careful who you're living with. So I would definitely say this one is like a last resort type of thing. Next up on my list is National Low Income Housing Coalition, also known as the NLIHC. They provide information about various rent assistance programs, including federal and state grants. They also advocate for affordable housing solutions. You can visit nlihc.org to explore available resources. And there you have it. I really hope that one of these companies or multiple of these companies help you out in your time of need. I will let you know that you can get assistance from more than one company. Of course, you don't want to scam them because you can get into trouble. So if one covered your full rent, there's no need to get assistance from another company for your rent because you could get into some trouble. But there are situations, say for instance with like Catholic Charities, they weren't able to cover my full rent, but they covered a substantial amount. In my situation, I had a really high rent. Okay, I wasn't, I was staying in a more luxury place that had a higher price point. If it was a lower price point, the amount they gave me would have covered my whole rent. But because it was a higher price point, and I was a single woman with no children, they weren't able to, cover that full amount, but they covered over half of it, and I had to agree to come up with the rest of it. They have to know that you're going to have the rest of the amount needed to cover your rent. And so I had to continue looking for resources to help me come up with the rest of that rent. So I will let you know that sometimes that is the thing as well, where the company will have you agree to be able to come up with the rest of the amount if they don't cover it all. So it really just depends on your specific situation, where you're located, so your zip code, how many, if you have children or don't have children. But don't be discouraged if you're someone like me that doesn't have children, because you can still get assistance. Just want to let you know that. And also, don't be discouraged if you're living in a luxury condo, townhome, apartment, because that was something that initially had me afraid to reach out for assistance. I'm like, they're not going to help me. But that wasn't the case. There's so much assistance out here, y'all. And if you're going through a hard time right now, you don't know whether you're coming or going, how you're going to pay your rent, your car note, you don't know how you're going to get food, I encourage you to keep your faith strong. Take life one day at a time. Just worry about today. And know that everything is going to be fine. Also, utilize the resources available for you. Utilize the resources that you're finding on the internet, the resources that I'm giving you in this video. If you need help, definitely check out my channel and channels like mine, because I have so many other videos with multiple resources on it, even if you go back a year ago. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there because I love y'all. And I also want to let you know that this is definitely a channel that you want to join, because this is not a channel that's just about struggle, okay? And just about resources to help you in a time of need. We are going from surviving to thriving. You will elevate. If you stay connected to this channel, you're going up. The only way you can go is up, period, with the things that we have on the way here. So just wanted to put that out there and let you know this channel will not just be, a shelter, struggle. It's not that. However, I'm someone that knows that a lot of us come from struggle and poverty, trials and tribulations. And that's all for the plot, baby. So it's okay if you come from that, but you don't have to stay in that. You don't have to remain in that. You don't have to live the rest of your life like that. But while you're there, utilize the resources available. Come back in my comments and let me know which company helped you out, or, that your situation changed. And I love you. I'll see you on the next one.